Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can unlink EA account from Steam, and it will be an updated tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So actually you can see we are already in our EA platform. So here you just need to click on this profile icon and just click to the account setting. Once you click over here, it will redirect you to that page. It is a account page where you just need to click on this connected account. Once you click over here, then you will find out the linked accounts which is connected with your EA account. So here you can see our HN project Google also connected, then Steam account. So if you want to unlink this Steam account, you just need to click this button called unlink. Just click over here, and then just need to be send a verification code that you are the authentic person. So I'll just click over here, and then I will check to my Gmail account. Once I check it, then actually you can see we already get this code over that, but I will paste it here and just click to the submit. Once you click over here, then they will give us this text. You just need to be read it, and then I understand when wish to continue, just click on unlink. Once you click over here, it will be unlinked perfectly. So this is the way you can unlink Steam from the EA account. So if you think this video was knowledgeable, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.